I'm so nervous. Sana pumasa ito kay Boss Rick. Ba't ko naman kasi tinanggap-tanggap ng project na to? Hindi naman ako artistic person. I'm a technical person. I should learn how to say no next time.
Ano yan, Pipay?
Harvey naman, obvious ba? It's just a painting.
Excuse me, JC. This is not just a painting. It's an ad campaign. Ako nag-conceptualize.
Patingin nga.
O, di ba? Sana pumasa kay Boss Rick. I-present na nga namin kasi samahan ako ni Silvio.
Mukhang it needs a little more improvement.
Huh?
Alam mo kung sa akin pinagawa to? Naku, mas maganda ang lalabas to kasi chicken feed sa akin to.
Talaga, JC?
Alam mo ba na bago ako pumasok sa opisinang to, meron akong kinuwang certificate course sa advertising. And I was #1 in my class.
Very impressive. I'm sure marami kang input sa magandang may tutulong kay Pipay.
Tulungan mo naman ako. Input. Sige na, sige.
Pag-iisip
Paplansya kita. Bibila kita man Hopya, balot. Masigin
Sige.
kita. Pipay, are you ready to present? Ay, di ko alam. Itong si JC marami daw brilliant suggestion.
Well, I only base my suggestions with the theories that I learned in advertising school. And these are the same theories that help the great ads we know today.
That was brilliant.
Iba nga ang brilliant sa ridiculous, JC.
Well, I think it's impressive.
Thank you, Silvio. Alam mo, I gained back my confidence. Kaya tayo, magpe-present na tayo kay boss.
Look at this layout, huh? Check out the skies.
Oo nga, parang flat. Boring.
So what do you suggest?
I suggest dagdagan natin ng mga birds, airplanes, bulalakaw, para naman our clients would think when they see this layout that with our company, they can soar high in the skies.
Ang sabi ni Boss Rick, create awareness. Hindi mangako ng mga imposible, JC.
Tapos tingnan mo tong shot ng beach. Oh, hindi na dapat Boracay to. Sa Nabotas lang, pwede na to.
Oo.
Nabotas? May white sand ba sa Nabotas?
Oo naman, wawalisin mo lang yung basura doon. White sand na rin yun.
Wawalis pa.
Oo naman, para naman cost efficient. Magbuburakay ka pa. Tapos itong word na future. Dapat to ganito. The tomorrow of today will be the future of tomorrow.
Ang ganda. Very catchy, tapos may rhyme pa.
Diba?
Excuse me, after hearing your suggestions, para mas maganda nga yung original concept ko, tara, mag-present na tayo kay boss. This is my moment to shine. Ma-approve yan. Speaking of shine, parang may shine ang ilong ko. Magpa-powder lang ako ng nose.
Oops! Sorry.
Lagot ka kay Pipay. Sigurado ko, ginisa ni Boss Rick yun.
Naku, huwag kang mag-alala. Malamang yun, nag-revise yun. Tapos ginamit yung mga ideas ko. Malamang ako papasasalamatan nun, no? Boss Rick, kamusta naman yung ad presentation ni Pipay? Palpak, no?
Palpak! It was great. I like the way he treated the colors. At saka yung parang natapunan ng kape. Wonderful! Genius! I'm making Pipay head of advertising.